Talaga? Hindi ko naman alam kung ano yung implication nun. Sabi ko, sige. Okay, so, do you know that the morning that I was supposed to have dinner with him, 6 o'clock dinner or somewhere, I had 41 fever.
God save you. God in
41 fever for the first time in my life. I had 41 fever. I could not understand what it was. Hilong-talilong talaga ako. Hindi ako talaga nakabangon. Sumusok ako. Hindi ko maintindihan.
Ano binasa mo yung Das Capital overnight?
Alam ko naman. Marxism sa kasama talaga. Mao Zedong to. Marxist-Leninist Mao Zedong. Sus Maria Josep ko.
Na-memorya na niya yun.
Hindi naman sa na-memorya pero
Alam niya na yun.
pero alam mo nakakatuwa kasi yung perspective ko naman dyan, sabi ko, it really is good to analyze it. Yung point of analysis nila. Because yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina, the whole capitalist caboodle is all supported by the labor. By month's labor. Look at how they cheaply they pay labor.
Oo nga.
And then what happens? Capital, ayan, anyway. So, anyway. Okay, sabi ko, alam mo, hilong-talilong talaga ako.
Hindi ka nakarating.